Emails are a huge part of my day-to-day job, and I do a lot of it from my phone since I'm not always sitting in this room with the laptop in my hands. And I absolutely need to be able to handle everything from my phone, including adding and editing the signatures to my emails. I have found a slick solution for that, and I'm going to introduce it to you as well. Here I am in my Gmail app. To add or edit my signature, I need to open the side panel, go to Settings and scroll down to Signatures. This part will work practically the same whether you are on iOS or on Android. Here I can toggle the mobile signature so that I can have a specific one when I'm sending emails from my phone. I have a field where I can enter some text with some degree of built-in formatting. But as you can see, I can put something together, but still it doesn't look too professional at the moment. You might think that these are the limitations of your phone, but this doesn't need to be this way. You can absolutely have a functional and professional signature with buttons, call to actions, banners, whatever you like. You can create it without leaving your phone. All you need is the correct tool for that. Here I have MySignature, which is a dedicated solution specifically for that. As you can see, I already have a signature generated in here. So all I need to do is copy it from here, go back to Gmail and paste. Now it looks so much better, doesn't it? And if at any point I want to change something, I just go back to my signature, where I can edit, add or remove fields, make them clickable if I need to, add buttons, links to social networks, etc. Or I can create an entirely new one, either from scratch or by modifying one of the multiple templates that the service provides. And once I'm done, I just copy the code and paste it to Gmail. All without leaving my phone, thanks to MySignature.